Alright, this is number 4. This inequality, we can break it down into two pieces. 10 is greater than 2x minus 4, and 2x minus 4 is greater than negative 2. All we did was just split it into two pieces. And now we'll solve, I'll solve this first part in red. We'll start by adding 4 to both sides. So that we get 14 is greater than 2x, divide by 2, and you get x is less than 7. Let's plot that on the number line. X is greater than 7. Let's say that this is 7. If x is greater than 7, then we'll have an open circle going to the right. And so let's go back over and solve the right-hand side. This one I'll do in blue. So we'll start by adding 4 to both sides so that we get a positive 2 is less than 2x. We'll divide by 2 so that x is greater than 2 divided by 2, which means x is greater than 1. And so let's plot that. Oh, sorry. The first part we did incorrectly. So, at least on the number line, we did it incorrectly. So let's see if we can fix that. So, x is greater than 1. We'll plot that real quick. But let's change the direction of this arrow because it's supposed to be less than. So let's do this. Let's erase that. And in red, we'll put an arrow going to the left. It's x is less than. And then we have x is greater than 1. So in blue, let's grab 1. Let's say this is 7. Let's say this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So if x is greater than 1, open circle going this way. So the solutions to the inequality go from 1, but not including 1, up to 7. So it's this region here. Let me do that in another color. And let me grab a highlighter. So it's this region here that represents the solutions to the inequality. So for example, we could say 3, the number 3, is a good solution to this inequality because both inequalities have solutions here at 3.